Hello there, we're making dinner after a full day of video. We're gonna make it's already like 7:10, and I intend to have dinner for 5 on the table in 20 minutes maximum, maybe even 15 if everything goes well. I've got some pasta water going. I'm gonna have to find a pasta shape. I've got some half an onion going, and we are making mussels in a white wine cream sauce. So I just had these Pacific mussels already cooked, frozen in a bag, and I'm going to make magic with them, and I'm going to show you how to do it.
There's
right
no
now,
such thing as the Pacific in France, my love.
these are, I don't know, that's what it says on the thingy. So just pour some, that's probably like a third of a cup of white wine. Again, like this is $3 or $4. Euros.
Keep in mind.
Keep in mind, you're not going to use your best wine, but we're going to reduce it a little more salt, not too much because the mussels are salty. And we're going to reduce that. And then we're going to add the same amount of wine that the same amount of heavy cream. I know, we're back to the heavy cream. Like you always have to have some in your fridge. We're going to reduce this. I'm going to turn it up just a bit.
Smells good.
It smells good already, right? Mm-hmm. The onion, the butter, French butter, always good. And the wine. And then once this has been reduced, we're going to add another, same thing. If you put a quarter cup of wine, you're going to put a quarter cup of cream. If you put a third, you put a third. And we're going to add some garlic. And if you've got some fresh herbs, you'll put that in there. And then at the very last minute, so that it doesn't overcook and become mushy, we're gonna add these guys while we're cooking the pasta. That's it, I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so we added the heavy cream. I grated a garlic clove on my microplane grater. I'm sure that they don't want me to do this at the hand company, but this is how we do it. And we are putting that in, and actually this has been bubbling.
Wait, so how long ago did you put the cream in?
About 5 minutes ago. So, right now in here there's
Onion.
half an onion, diced finely. You could put shallots. There is white wine. You could put rosé. Versatile. There's cream, and there is
Butter.
butter. And now garlic and salt, a little bit. Now we're adding the frozen mussels, but you can add frozen shrimp. You can add, I'm actually going to add a little bit more cream. You can add baby scallops. You can add whatever you want, mixed vegetables. Listen, if you like octopus, you can add octopus. And this is going to, I'm going to put a lid on it. I'm going to put a lid on you. Whoops. And we're gonna have this cook on super low heat while we add the orecchiette.
I thought it was orecchiette.
No, orecchiette. Well, maybe it is, but anyway, these are little ear-shaped pasta. And the
That's
reason
how you say ear in Italian.
yes,
apparently.
the reason we're choosing this is because this has a lot of sauce. And so the sauce will get wedged in, makes it very delicious. And also, if you look, they're about the size, they're about the size of the mussels. So
Wow.
make sure that you salt your pasta water liberally. This goes in, This is probably, I keep burning myself. This is probably 12 minutes, but I'm gonna take it out at the 10-minute mark and finish it in here. Yeah. You're pointing. And then we will have dinner within 20 minutes. Woo!
Dinner in 20 minutes dance.
That is dinner in 20 minutes dance. Alright, see you in a few minutes. Hey, pasta's cooked. Come here, I'm going to show you. I didn't have any parsley, but I have chives.
It's
And
much better with chives.
chives taste like onions. So it's going to be perfect. With this, I use scissors because my dad taught me this when I was a little girl. And it's so much easier and safer than a knife. And I took a little portions of mussels for him because he likes it and he doesn't get to eat it very often. So you could do this with a knife. In fact, I probably should, but just wanted to show you what that looks like if you want your little children to help you. We take the orecchiette out. We put it in the sauce. Please forgive me for my messy kitchen. It is what it is.
Nobody cares, Mama.
I am am a working mama, and I do a pretty good job at it. So my kitchen is not a show kitchen the way
It's not that bad.
some people have a show kitchen. I do not have a show kitchen. And even if
Well,
I had a
'cause you're-
super fancy kitchen, I would still use it. So I'd like to call it, I have a real kitchen.
Well, your cooking videos are not on a TV set
Wow.
like cooking shows are.
Yes, thank God, because I don't know if that's real. So even though there's still pasta in here, I'm gonna do the flipperoo, put this on the heat. By the way, wait till you taste this, Claire. Oh
Yum.
my gosh. This is really simple. Took like 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And we might not have leftovers actually. We might not. So you could put some Parmesan in there and make it thick and yummy. And you're not really supposed to, but we could.
We could. I think you should.
We should.
Yes.
But first, you really think so?
Yes.
Okay,
I
stay
always
here.
think so.
Go look at it.
Okay. That's what this is.
I mean, it really goes against all laws.
But it tastes
of
good.
Pasta making.
It's not
You do
hurting.
not put.
No small children will be harmed.
Oh, where'd you get that?
I wonder.
No wonder. Sounds like Italianism to me. Okay, a whole pack of Parmigiano Reggiano, which could also be Grana Padano. No, this time it's Parmigiano Reggiano. What do you think? That's like a third of a cup?
Yeah. Maybe more.
That's ridiculous. That looks amazing. Look at how creamy the sauce got.
Optional step, just add Parmesan to any meal you're making at the end, just impulsively.
As long as it has heavy cream. Oh, what you can also do is add a little tiny bit of chili. If your little
I
people
like that.
like it. Not too much, as we always say, your little tiny brother does not like that. Let's see what we got on here. Any more? Oh, look at this. Abundance continues. And that is dinner. Salted. And I think it's going to be delicious. I kind of want you to try it.
Yeah.
You know, just like how Jada tries it and you know, rolls the eyes in the best way. Oh, it's so good. And who else does that on TV?
I don't know. but
Everybody?
it sneeze.
Should I try it? It's going to be super hot though. Bless you. Bless you. Here.
Thank you. Oh, thank you.
From my messy kitchen to yours.
Let me taste. It's gonna be hot.
It's going to be super hot. Wait, wait. I'm turning it around. This is my pretty girl. Go like this. It's really good, but really hot.
Spicy or hot?
Oh no.
Temperature.
But wait, just take one more look at this. Look at how ridiculous that looks. OMG.
That's
Let's
really good.
eat. Lots of love.